sound like two.
Okay, guys. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
All right. So today we're going to start with our new lesson, which is our aim for today is how do we find the solution to a system of linear equations.
Yeah.
Okay, so yesterday we worked on some linear equations, and for the past lessons we've been solving equations, right? So before we proceed on that, we will have a short review of graphing linear equation. All right? So we'll have an example of this equation. Can somebody read the equation for me? Malachi?
Y minus 0.25x equals 2.
Equals to 2. Alright. Okay, so in solving for that, remember what I told you before. We have to switch it into a slope-intercept form. So when we do that, we will have, what are we going to do with 0.25x? We have to separate the variables y and x. So can someone help me out with this one? I need another hint. What do we take away from here, Anthony? Take away what?
0.
So what do we do? We add, okay? 0.25x. And what did we say? Okay. Do we start? So do we start?
You're fine. You can pick it up. You can say, yeah.
Guess what's under there? I think just speak.
Okay, so 0.25. And what did we say about equation? Whatever?
Whatever we put on one side, we do it to the other side.
Alright, so in here we added 0.25x on one side. What do we do on the next side? Angel?
We add 2 plus 0.25x.
Okay, so we're adding 0.25x over here. Alright,
Yes.
so what ends up here?
Yeah. You'll cancel that
Which one?
of 0.25.
Alright, so we cancel 0.25x. Okay, so what was left? Jason? Come here.
You have to add 2 plus 25.
Okay,
That'll
so
be 27. So 27.
first let us look at this side. What's left here?
The Y.
Y. And on the other side?
The X.
2 on the X.
0.25x and
2.
so 0.25x plus 2. Then there goes your equal side, okay? So, let's have how we're going to graph it. So, we have the value y is equal to 0.25 plus 2. So, let's write down 0.25x plus 2. Let's start with one value. Give me one value, Karan. One number, please.
Any number.
Lower number first.
I think it is
Between 0 and 3, which one do you like?
I think 2.
2. Okay. 2. So what do we do with the 2? What do we do with the 2?
Y
multiply.
We multiply with what? So 0.25 times what?
2.
The value of x, which is 2, and continue. So what is that equal to? 0.25 times 2. Get your calculators, guys.
It's gonna be hard.
Well, try it. Let's try it first. Let's see.
It's hard.
Turn it on.
0.25
Times 2 plus 2 is?
Times 2.
times 2 plus 2.
2.50.
2.5.
2.5, I mean.
Okay.
2.5. Let's get out of here.
You got 2.5 everyone. Okay, let's get.
Yeah, I did.
Alright, hold on. Okay, now let's say what will be the point? The coordinates of that point would be the x and the y. What is the x? The Anthony was x?
Yeah.
2. And then what's the y?
2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
Okay. Okay, let's have another value.
3.
Let's have 3. Can someone do it for me, please?
I do.
Maurice, come. Okay. To this side, Maurice.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you think Maurice is writing? Najim.
What's the first one? 0.25
Yeah, that's 2 times.
times 3.
Times 3, and then you add. Where's the equation? Check the equation.
Excuse me,
Let's
Maurice.
do
I can't see the equation one.
Okay, I will show you in a little while. Can somebody help Maurice use the calculator?
I got the answer.
You got the answer? What do you have?
It's 2.75.
Okay, so 0.25 times 3 is.
Plus.
Alright, good.
2.75.
Thank you, Maurice. 2.75.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, thank you. Now, who would like to write the ordered pair? Any hand? Any hand? Alberto. Ordered pair. Remember the x and the y values. All right. Now, what did I say when we're trying to plot a line? We need at least how many points?
3 points.
We need 3 points in order there's a
3
point to
points.
check and balance, right? So let's have another number.
4.
4?
Should put 5.
4.
5 is the last one.
Okay. So let me write down point 25 times.
4.
Quran, what's next?
Oh, 4.
Oh, 4. Plus 2. Jason, give me the answer.
Oh, shit.
0.4.
0.25 times 4 plus 2 is?
Oh.
3.
3.
3. Do you have the same answer, guys?
Yes.
Alright. Jason, help me out with the ordered pair. What will be here?
That'll be the 4
I guess.
plus the s and plus 2.
What will be the value for y?
Plus,
think that's a
plus 3. 3.01.
like
It's 4 and.
4 and
3.
Okay.
Yeah,
3.0. Okay?
Take my time.
Okay, now.
2.
Let's have first point. Who'd like to do first point? Okay, Malachi.
0. Yeah. Yeah.
Where's x2? This is
Yeah.
point what? 5.
Yeah.
Is this 2.5? Check. This is 2.
2.5,
The
2.50.
2.5. Okay. Next point. Do you agree to this? Yes, Angel, why do you agree? Do you agree?
I agree. I agree.
Where is the x?
It's right
At
underneath 2.0.
2.0 or 2. Then
Yeah.
y is at
2.50.
2.5. Next
Yeah.
point. Where's the next point? Who would like to do the second point? Angel. What's the next one? And?
2.7.
Okay. So, where's x is equal to? 3. Very good, Angel. Right. Thank you, Angel. Okay, next point. Next point. Anthony, you want to try? It will be up, yeah. Thank you. Okay. So now what do we do next? Thank you, Anthony. What do we do next? We have the points that we
Connect them.
connect.
Connected.
All right. So let's connect all the points. Then we have, what do we have? Okay. So we have now this. What do we call this? A line. And what equation is this line representing?
Representing a 0.025x
What equation?
plus 2.
Okay, so don't forget your y is equal to 0.25x plus 2.
Yeah.
Okay? So one equation, one line. Alright? So today, alright, any question with that?
No.
Okay.
No.
So we can go now. With our next lesson, we are going to work on system of linear equation. Now, what is a system of linear equation?
Yeah.
Okay? If we have one linear equation there, this time we
It's
will
a
be
X.
needing more linear equation. Not just one, but when you
More.
say system of linear equation, system of equation will be a collection
Yeah.
of 2 or more equations with the same set of unknowns. What were the unknown in this earlier? We have what variables we have. Remember we said variables unknown are
Y and X and Y.
y and x.
Yeah.
Okay? So this time we're going to work on systems of equation. So can you get one equation? Choose an equation here.
Up there, yeah.
Okay. Can you place it on the board, please? Anthony, choose one equation. Okay, put it on the board. Alberto, choose one equation. There you go. Okay. One equation, Malachi.
Hmm.
Very good. Is this an equation?
No.
No.
I don't have any equations.
Alright, so we have, Alberto, can you put it on the board? The equations that you have. Malachi, please. Let's put equations. Where's it? It's okay. Thanks. And then. Alright, from the set of equations, expressions that I showed you, you pick this equation. Now, what equations here would have the same variables?
The y plus 3 times
I don't know. Man.
Alberto, yes?
equals 5 and
Oh,
2y plus 3 times
x
x
equal to 12.
equals 12.
Okay, so we'll put them together. Okay, and this. So we have here two sets of equation, but which one will be considered our system of equation? Remember we said collection, then same set of unknowns. So Alberto said this is the equation that have the same x and y. So this is what we will consider as our system of equation. How do we call it again?
System of equation.
Okay, so these two equations will have the same value of x and
Why?
y. Alright? What about this? Do they have the same variables?
No.
No. This is represented by z, t, p, and r variables. Okay? So, we will have an example and how to do that. Okay. Now, how do we solve this kind of equation? All right. How are we going to solve them? So, there are steps that we are to do in this. So, the first one is, so we need to make sure that our equation is in the slope-intercept form. We identified already the equation. So, okay, in this form, wherein y is equal to mx plus b. All right, then we're going to use like we did earlier. Why do we need the function table? Do we need to get
We get our numbers.
our numbers, which is the ordered pairs, in order to graph, okay? Then we graph. Now, these are the basic 3 steps that we do. And the last one will be find the intersection. Who can define me what intersection is? Yes, Malachi.
Intersection means like there's like the lines once you're done graphing the numbers, the lines will go across each other and they intersect.
Okay, and they will have what?
They will have a
Common
point.
A common point. All right. So we can, for example,
Make our own graph.
so let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Where will be the point of intersection?
The middle.
Alberto, would you like to show? Okay, very good. So this is the point of intersection.
Intersection.
Intersection. Very good, Karan, right?
Yeah.
That point
Hey,
we're
yeah.
in, that line and this line will meet. That's what we call the intersection. Are we all right with that, Jason?
Yes.
And okay, so now how do we get now the value or the coordinates of that intersection? Go back to how we graph the coordinates, right? So going from that, then we go down to get
The points.
not the point, you have the point already,
The X.
the x value, right? So you need to get the coordinates, which is your
For the
x
interruption, if
and
you're in possession of a Samsung Galaxy phone that was left in the first floor girls' bathroom, please call the main office. Again, a Galaxy phone was left in the first floor girls' bathroom. If you are in possession of that phone or know who might be, please call the main office 2272.
okay, so x and then what can we get here? What value can you get here? The y, all right. So you get now the x and you get the y value. Now this will be now the solution of that system of equation.
Yeah.
All right?
I know.
Okay, now we will have an example.
We have a little like line that we got like the influence we using on a team sheet.
Okay, supposedly, let's have an equation. Alright. Alright. We have two equations, which is actually, the story behind the equation is that you're trying to save some money, $1 bill and $5 bill, right? So, you have 25 pieces of bills together, and you need to know how many bills are you going to save? X will be your $1 bill, the number of $1 bill, and Y will be the number of $5 bill. Huh? Okay. Now, let me ask you, how many $1 bills do you think are there in a $5 bill?
5 $1 bills.
There are 5. All right, very good. So, our equation, x plus y is equal to 25. X is the number of $1 bill, and y is the number of $5 bill. The second equation, x plus 5y is equal to 45. $45 when you add the total amount. X would be, if you have 5 pieces of $1 bill, how much do you have?
5.
$5. Don't forget the dollars, guys. Remember, I've been telling you, units. It's important. A number would have no meaning unless you say what unit you're using. So this is dollars, 5, and then you multiply it with 5 because the amount is, for every 1 piece of $5, you have
$5.
is equal to $5. Okay. Now we want to know x and y. First step, what do we need to do? Change equation, right? So, x plus y is equal to 25. What do we do?
Take out the X and Y.
Okay, so we separate the x and the y. So what do we take away here?
We have to take away the we have to use the minus.
Minus what?
Minus
25.
What are we taking away from here?
25.
On this side?
The X.
The x, alright. And then whatever we said, Malachi, you said again, whatever.
Whoever comes on one side, we put on the other side.
Alright, okay, we balance it. So we take away also x on the other side. Maurice?
Yeah.
Alright, so what do we take away on the other side? We take away x on the right side, then we take away also.
Then the left side.
What did we take away, Maurice?
Huh?
What did we take away here on the left side? Can you see it from there? So we take away also x. Alright? Alright, so
We get the good robots.
what do we do next? Anthony?
What is the solving?
So what's remaining here?
What's the next separation?
We cross out.
Cross out.
Then what's left? What's left here?
25.
Is it x?
No.
This is the equal sign. What's on that side? Look here.
X plus
Do we still have x, guys?
The
no.
Y.
The y.
Only y. Okay, y. What happened to the x?
It's crossed out.
Cross out
On both
already. You say
sides.
bye-bye, right?
Yeah.
But what happened really to the x?
It
Like,
It's
disappeared.
gonna be
it's gonna be on the other side.
exactly
other side.
Malachi, alright? So
So
it's
we
gonna
should
be
spare
on the other side. Remember, you subtracted it on the other side. You also did it on the other side. But what's gonna happen is, so remaining here is 25 minus x, okay? Now, on the next one. Help me out. Angel, on Malachi this time.
Okay, first you could. First we. Okay, so first we subtract x,
Okay, subtract x.
then subtract x times.
Okay. Then,
Then it's 5y equals 45 minus x.
okay, so minus x. So what's gonna happen now? Y is equal to,
45.
Plus
okay?
2.
Remember you have 5 here.
It's equal to 5.
So we need to take that out also. And the only way to do that is we
Divide.
divide.
On both sides.
So divide, and whatever we do again on the other side,
Goes on
On the other
other
side.
The other side. The other side.
The other side.
okay, so 5 divided by 5,
5 divided by 5, that's 1.
1. So we have y. Then here, what happens? 45 divided by 5 minus x divided by 5. So what is y equal to?
Equal to
9.
Now,
Another hand. Quran, can you help me out? What's 45 divided by
it's 9.
5? Very good.
Yeah.
Then minus, what's left
there you
here?
go.
Still x over 5. Okay. Alright, so we have our working equation now.
Yes.
What's the next step?
Thank you.
use function.
Use the function table.
Alright, use the function table, Maurice.
On the table.
Alright, so we identify first what is that value, okay? So we have y, equation 1. Y is equal to 25 minus x.
X.
The second one, so this is equation 2. Y is equal to
9
9 minus x over
divided by
5.
divided by 5. Okay, so let's start with, to make it easy, let's start with 0. If x is equal to 0, what's the first one? Remember, you're going to substitute in here. 25 minus 0 is
Yeah.
25.
25.
I could try it.
Yes. 25 minus.
Okay, what about on the second equation?
That's 9 minus
9 minus,
0 over 5.
Over 5.
what's 0 over 5?
0.
What's 0 over 5, Anthony?
0.
0. Okay, so this is 0. So this is equal to
9.
9.
Yeah.
Okay. Help me out, Maurice. What will be the order, the first ordered pair? Mm-hmm. What's that?
Yeah.
The first set. This is the first set.
This is the number 0.
Okay, so write it down. 0 and
Yeah.
okay, 25. So 5, 25.
And you got 25.
Very good. Next pair. Help me out with the next pair. Just
I
multiply.
did.
Okay.
Thank you, Maurice.
So
I wanted to check.
x will be 1 will be 0
And
9.
and 9. Okay, let's
Yeah.
have another
Yeah.
point. Let's go for 10. 10. Jason, help me out here. Come. What's 25 minus 10?
Ten minus 25.
25 minus x. Well, what is x?
Excuse me, so
10. So 25 minus 10
so
is
please get a tissue.
tissue. This wet one. Would that this be fine, Molafine? Excuse me, Anthony.
Thank you.
25 minus 10.
You want to use the calculator? Yes, you do know that, Jason. Come on.
Dr. Williams, you try here. 25
25 minus 10. Let's help out, Jason.
Try it in. 25 minus 10, Anthony.
What's it?
25. 15.
What will be the order pair?
18.
Thank you.
That means the y, the s equals 18.
What's the value of x?
The 10.
What's the value of y?
18.
Then what's the ordered pair?
10 minus 18.
Is it minus?
No.
10 and
10.
15.
10.
10 is x. Then,
Here's the thing.
10, 15. Okay. Thank you. All right. So let's go to the next one. Equation 2. 9 minus, what's the value of x? Right. What value of x did we use?
Oh, man, this.
I have a number.
Look at the x. Where's the x?
I'm thinking it's dude.
Yes.
Okay.
Try one more time.
In here. All
Hey,
right.
just try it.
So what number did you see on
Okay, cool.
the
I'm gonna take my interview was just so.
This was there.
Yes, what's the value of that, of x?
What happens
It's a 10.
Awesome.
Okay, very good. So we have 10 over, inhale, inhale.
You did do it.
Show me, look. Guys,
Take it up. There you go. Take it up.
Yeah, so embarrassing.
I didn't do it.
Yes, you do. You did a great job.
look, you did. No, you told me,
Okay.
Yes.
you told me that x is equal to 10. So I wrote it down here. Now what is 10 over 5? 10 divided by 5 in that group. What's the answer? 10 divided by 5.
Divide by 5, that's 2.
That's 2. Okay, this is 2. 9
Yeah.
minus 2, Alberto.
10 divided by
9 minus 2?
7.
7. All right.
Yes.
Okay, what's the coordinates here? I need help, Anthony. What's the value that's
Zero.
ordered pair here?
7.
The equation 2.
Which equation?
What's the value of x? 10. And
Yeah. Up there.
value of y?
Dios, got it.
7. Yes, very good.
You actually touch a screw.
All right, Quran, thank you for your help.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
This is hard.
Is it hard?
No.
Okay. Don't worry. Look at me.
You get a remote that's like this for like about $5
Alright.
or so.
Inhale, exhale.
Okay. So can we still go on to the next one, Quran?
Okay.
Okay.
You want like the biggest remote?
Malachi,
I
can
gotta
you share what
shake
you're
it off.
discussing?
Yes.
No, he's not, because like, Jason wants one of these like, big knobby-sized calculators, and I told him that he could get a universal remote.
Okay, is that part of our lesson now?
No?
Okay, so can we proceed now?
Yes.
Do we need another thing here? We're using our function table in order for us to graph. What else do we need here? We have so far how many points? 1 and 2. We need one more point. Let's have 25. Okay, let's do it quick, guys. 25 minus x.
So 25 minus 25.
Yes, Angel.
Minus 25, 0.
All right. What about equation 2? What's the value of y for equation 2? So let's substitute. 9
minus 25 divided by 5
equals.
equals, okay, so it's 9 minus 5.
Guys, you have your calculator. What do you
I have them.
How does 5 divided by 2? 25 to 5.
So 9 divided by 5. No, 9 minus 5.
I need to help.
Yeah.
25 divided by 5.
Next.
Huh?
25 divided by 5.
25 divided by
It's
2.
5.
Yes.
Then take it away from 9.
5.
5. It's
Divided
4.
by
4.
5.
It's
Okay.
4.
Equals 4.
Right. So we have, what's the coordinate?
Take that away.
25
And 4.
and 4.
4.
Is it 4?
No,
This is equation 1.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Yeah.
0.
It's 0. It's not
In here, 25 and,
4.
I'm not learning.
Again.
all right. Go.
You're good. Yeah, I'm good.
Yo, Jason.
Okay. So let's plot this one. First point. Let's have, let me do 0 and, first one, 0 and
0,
25.
25.
Find that when she go.
You just can't.
So it's gonna be pass.
Yes.
Alright. Okay, let's try the next one. 10 and 15. Is that, no. 10 and 15. So x is 10 and 15 y. Okay? Next point. Tell me the next point, guys.
What's the next point?
For equation 1.
0 and 9. No. 10 and 15. No, 25 and 0.
25 and 0. Okay, 25 and y is 0. Is this right, guys?
Yeah.
Is y equal to 0 here?
Yeah.
0. Alright?
Yeah.
Then what's the next thing? We connect. So connecting.
How much you need?
Okay. Then next one. Next equation. 0 and 9. Anthony, 0 and 9. Where's 0 and 9? Zero and 9. Where's 0? Flat.
Yeah.
Okay.
I give.
Yeah.
Next point. Angel. That will be 10 and 7. Okay.
You did say 8 and
10, 7. That's correct. 10 and 7. X is 10. Okay, next one, please. Who'd like to do it?
I am.
Alberto, come.
After him.
25 and 4. Oh wait, let me get. Oh yeah. 2, 3, and 4.
I know.
Yes.
So big that that 100 the jump will get pulled.
Okay, Malakai, can you connect the line, please?
Sure.
There. Jason, can you see that one? Can you see the lines? Would you like to stand up and look at it? All right, go straight.
We go down my nose.
I got it. Okay. All right, thank you. You can sit down.
I could keep it.
It's okay.
Oh my God, no.
That's
Go
clear
sit
now.
down.
Okay, now, where is the point of intersection, guys? Karan, would you like to tell me where the point of intersection?
Yeah.
Can you go over and circle
Yeah.
that point of intersection?
I did it.
Remember where they meet?
This one.
Look, this is the line, and then this is your another line. Where did this line and this line meet?
I think, there's.
Circle that.
Oh, man.
No, make a big circle in that space. There you go. You did it!
Yeah.
Give me one.
This is.
All right. All right.
No, I'm not focused.
Jason, can you help me out? Can you stand over here? Come.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, this one.
Can you see the point of intersection?
Yeah.
Where the point of intersection? Wait. What's point of intersection? When you have two lines intersecting, they meet at a common
Got
point.
parallel.
Where did these lines meet?
I think they meet here.
The two lines. This is one line. This is another line. Where did they meet?
I think they meet here.
Where's that point? We're
Here.
in.
I don't know.
Okay, have a sit. Let's see. Who can help me with this one?
I did.
Maurice, come. Please sit down. Okay, Anthony.
Oh, sorry.
Where's the point of intersection? What does it mean?
You know my two don't have to use.
Okay, why is that the point of intersection? Both lines are? Okay, both lines will have the same point. Okay? Have a sit. Thank you. Jason. Okay, let me just explain this. This red line is the equation, that's equation number 2, where we say y is equal to 9 minus x over 5, and this is the equation this line is passing through this point.
Wow.
Alright?
Oh God, difficult.
Yeah.
And the red line is also passing that point. Is that right, Alberto?
Yes.
Yes.
So, if I consider this point here, is the purple line passing this point?
No.
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 I don't think so.
You don't think so? They're not intersecting at this point.
Wait.
Alright? If I consider this point, Jason, this point here, did the red line pass that point
No.
also? No. Did they intersect in there?
No.
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 So which point did they both pass?
And the green shoulder.
This green point. And that value is what? What's the coordinate of that?
25.
20 and
6. 7.
5.
5. Okay.
Wow.
So this is now the solution of these
5.
two equations that we have. Alright, Alberto?
Yes.
So the x value is equal to
20 and 5.
20 and the y value is
5.
5.